Lorenz Conveying Products has been at the forefront of the pneumatic industry in North America since 1979. Take a glimpse into our cutting-edge valve and gate product line and discover how they can revolutionize your conveying system. At Lorenz, we offer an extensive range of pneumatic industry essentials, including clamps, couplings, bends, fittings, slide gates, diverter valves, and cyclones, even accessories and components. Our flagship product line caters to diverse industries such as plastics, chemicals, food, pet food, and milling, encompassing flour and grain handling. Situated in a sprawling 10-acre facility with 50,000 square feet of manufacturing space, our processes are unparalleled, ensuring timely production of high-quality products. As a single-source supplier, we manufacture valves, gates, tube and pipe ends, components, accessories, and custom fabricated components for pneumatic conveying industries. Our Lorenz brand focuses on nurturing strong relationships and delivering exceptional customer service. We provide strategic counsel and innovative solutions, empowering our customers to streamline their operations seamlessly. With an impressive on-time delivery rate averaging 98%, including early shipments constituting 25% of the time, we enable our customers to plan their projects efficiently, manage cash flow effectively, and optimize workforce productivity. Join us and elevate your industry standards today. Lorenz Conveying Products. We are your conveying products people.